Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get Google services, all Google apps if you right now on or had a Huawei. So while watching this video, you hold a Huawei phone or devices. By default, the Huawei cannot or there is no Google app uh, load on your Huawei device. So in order to get all the Google app or Google service, you can try to use a the G space. Here we go. If you Huawei, when you bought new phone from Huawei, it's already had a G space. It's good for you. You can try to download all Google apps from the Huawei G space. But if you don't, you can try to download this application for free from the GSpace official website, gspacesteam.com. So you can enjoy all the Google service from here. And what is GSpace? GSpace is an application for Huawei devices designed to be able to use Google apps. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Circle text button below. See you in the next video.